pretty. We still need to cut this piece of bulk out, so that way we can have the nice flat top piece. That's going to be going over an L bracket in here, so we can make the sides a little bit more sturdy. Other than that, this side is pretty much done. Very, very nice and straight. Gonna have to go do this side, but we'll do that another day. Let's make this perfect before we do anything else. So we need to file all this, get rid of the bulk, go get new tubs. Didn't come out too bad though, that's for sure. But there you have it. That's the start of actually looking close to a truck. So with an update, we went ahead and finished cutting the body lines perfectly straight, so that way it's all actually even. It's not looking too shabby, I think. Got all that done yesterday, as well as running to the metal supply store. Got some square stock. Hello, Sweet Pea. So that way we could frame out the rear end of, I guess, the start of the bed of the truck, if that makes any sense. But yeah, today we're going to go ahead and do that. We still need to cut the roof straight, line up all these lines right here. Unfortunately, this is going to take quite a while because these lines have to be perfect, or else the truck is going to look all lopsided and really stupid. So we're definitely going to have to take our time on this part, but we should be able to knock it out, get it done looking good like we did the sides. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started on that. Hopefully you guys don't make fun of me for my crooked cuts. Just kidding, I'll do good. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright guys, so we went ahead and got this all cut. I hope it's perfectly straight on the camera. Believe it or not, it actually is very straight in person. We do have to do a little bit of shaving, get rid of all this little stuff that's kind of hanging there, because, well, that's not okay. But it's not bad. I think it came out really good. Can't complain. I'd be okay with it. Other than that, though, that's pretty much done. Maya's over here trying to get rid of the windshield wiper nozzles. Shaving them off so that way the hood's nice and flat. Nothing in the way. He's more the body guy and fabricator. I'm just a mechanic, and I get cut happy. So, yeah, I think we're boring the dogs to death. I might be boring you guys as well. Who knows? But other than that, came out really good. This cut came out very straight. Got some notches there, so we can frame out the truck back all nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to, I guess, filing these down, making sure there's nothing that could stab us or poke us, because that's not fun. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. See you guys in a second. But as you can see, the frame is pretty much ready to get welded in. Looking all good. Nice and bent with the body line of the car. It isn't obviously where it's supposed to be. It's not welded in yet. But we did get it all nice and squared up with the frame of the car. After that's done, I guess we get a measure out a window for the back, get the nice piece of sheet metal right here, and go all the way down. And then we have to get ready to start doing the bed and the sidewalls of the truck. So, that's not looking bad, is it? And as for the windshield wiper nozzles, Maya did a phenomenal job, like he always does.